Everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's video is a PR package that I received from this nail brand called Reelzia. I'm not positive. It's a France company made in China. They make all handmade nails and they are gorgeous. So they reached out to me and I got to select a few options. So I'm just going to show you what I picked. I'm really excited to do this PR, to get, these press-ons, the handmade, and, just see how it goes. They looked beautiful on the website. There's a bunch of options. So these are just 3 that I chose. They did send me a personalized card, which was really sweet. On the front here is their information, just so you can take a look at that, pause it if you need. And they did write a little personalized letter. I do have a coupon code. It is Lisa to save 15% off. I do have an affiliate link, which I will link in the description box, along with the link to their website. With each nail set, they do include a bag, and inside you got a nail file, a cuticle pusher, nail glue, the sticky tabs, and alcohol wipes. So that's really nice. They give you, the 2 options on how to adhere them and everything you would basically need to prep and get these on. Are the ones that I am going to be using today. I really, really love these ones. And these are another set that I chose. I will have all the names listed in my description box, and these ones as well. As you can see, they do have different nail shapes. So let's get into these beautiful nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started here, and as you can see, it just fits great already on my nail. I did choose the sizes. I think they have small, medium, and large, and they do have a chart on their website to help you figure that out. So I'm just going to start off with some rubber base coat on my thumb, just a thin layer, and then I apply some inside the tip. And then, as usual, you want to put it near your cuticle and push down, and then flash cure it under your lamp. These nails are really good quality, as they are thin near the cuticle like these should be. They are still strong and very good structure to them. Very good quality, definitely worth the purchase. These seem like they are going to be great. The details in these nails are gorgeous. They have pearls and caviar beads and sequences and beautiful stuff that they decided to add on 4 of the fingers. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead as usual and do a layer on my nail and inside the nail tip, and then start at my cuticle, push down, make sure sidewall to sidewall is good, and then give it a flash cure. These cured great, even with that nude coloring that they added. I thought there might have been a little issue with that, but there really wasn't at all. It was as if they were just clear nails, so I was really happy and impressed with that fact. So yeah, you can use the glue or stickies they included, or FYI, rubber base coat, and I'm sure that nail glue gel as well. I'm going to go ahead and put on the other 5 off camera since it's the same process, and I'll be back to show you the final reveal. Here they are. I really, really am impressed with this brand. Their press-ons are great. They are strong. They are beautiful. Thank you so much to them for sending me these, and thank you so much to you guys for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.